So, good morning, everyone. Mm, 9.9.3 now. Exercise 9.3. Exercise 9.3, question number 9, right? Question number 9. Question number 9 is the side AB of parallelogram ABCD is produced to any point P. Now, this is the figure. ABCD is a parallelogram, right? So, it is given that ABCD is a parallelogram. ABCD is a parallelogram, right? Side AB is produced. Side AB is produced to point P. Produced to point P, right? Line through A parallel to CP. Line through A parallel to a line through A and parallel to CP. Line through A and parallel to CP. Parallel to CP means just a minute. Parallel to CP meets a CB produced at Q and PBQR is a PBQR का PBQR is a parallelogram, right? So what we have to prove? So we have to prove that area of ABCD is equal to area of PBQR. Area of PBQR. This we have to prove. So what is the question, right? ABCD is a parallelogram, right? It is given. Side AB is produced to point P, right? Line through A and parallel to CP. Line through A and parallel to CP, right? Parallel to CP meets CB at Q, and PBQR is a parallelogram which is formed, right? So what we have to prove that? We have to prove ABCD, area of ABCD is equal to area of PBQR. Yeah, PBQR. Right. Now, proof. You can see here that triangle ACQ and APQ are lying on the same base AQ, and between the same parallels AP and CQ, it means area of ACQ is equal to APQ will be equal. Why? Because two triangles lying on the same base and between the same parallels are equal in areas. So triangle ACQ, triangle ACQ and triangle APQ and triangle APQ, ACQ and APQ, right? So we have to make one construction here also. Construction, that is join AC and PQ. Join AC and PQ. Right? Now, triangle ACQ and triangle APQ are on the same base, or are on the same base. What is the same base? Same base is AQ, right? Same base AQ, and between the same parallels, between the same parallels, between the same parallels AQ and CP, between the same parallels AQ and CP. AQ and CP, right? So what will happen? Their area will be equal. Therefore, area of ACQ is equal to area of APQ. Hoga? This area of this triangle ACQ and area of this triangle will be equal, because दोनों का बेस सेम है और दोनों सेम पैरेलल लाइंस के बीच में है, राइट? सो दोनों आ गया. नाउ on subtracting area of triangle ABQ from both sides. अब इस इक्वेशन में से हम ABQ का एरिया दोनों साइड से माइनस करेंगे. देन व्हाट विल हैपन? एरिया ऑफ ACQ माइनस एरिया ऑफ ABQ and area of APQ minus area of ABQ, right? So when you subtract area of triangle ABQ from this triangle, this triangle, then what will remain? जब इस पूरे ट्रायंगल में से ये माइनस कर देंगे, then what will remain? Then only triangle ABC will remain. So area of ABC, right? Similarly, in this triangle, when we subtract this, then what will remain? Area of PBQ will remain. Area of PBQ is remain, right? Now, what we will do? We'll just multiplying both sides by 2. When you multiply both sides by 2, what will happen? Twice area of ABC is equal to twice area of PBQ, right? As we know that ABCD is a parallelogram, right? and the diagonals divides the parallelogram into two equal triangles, or parallelogram divides the diagonals divide the parallelogram into two congruent triangles, ABC and ADC, and these congruent triangle, the area of these congruent triangle will be equal. तो जब हम इसका डबल करेंगे तो आ जाएगा ABCD, right? So this will become area of ABCD, and this will be twice of this, that will be equal to PBBPQR or PBQR, right? This will be equal to area of PBQR. You can write the reason here, since diagonal of parallelogram divides it into two triangles of equal areas, right? This is the reason, and this you had to prove. This is the final proof. Yes, Bhumi, what happened?
Sir, screen is not clear.
Huh?
सर स्क्रीन इज नॉट क्लियर, कुछ भी समझ नहीं आ रहा है क्या लिखा है.
It is not clear. बेटा मेरा स्क्रीन तो बिल्कुल क्लियर है. मेरा स्क्रीन तो बिल्कुल क्लियर है.
सर आपका नेटवर्क भी रेड शो कर रहा है यहाँ पे तो.
नहीं नहीं नहीं, अभी देखो मैं ठीक किया. अभी ठीक हुआ?
नो सर, कुछ भी समझ नहीं आ रहा है.
इससे ज्यादा क्लियर नहीं हुआ बेटा.
सर अभी भी समझ नहीं आ रहा है.
आपका नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम है, आप नेटवर्क देखो अपना.
यस सर, मैं एक बार देख रही हूँ.
See your network. Yes, शीतल, what happened?
सर भूमि सही बोल रही है, बिल्कुल सर समझ ही नहीं आ रहा है क्या लिखा है. बस ऐसा लग रहा है कुछ लिखा है, पर क्या लिखा है कुछ समझ ही नहीं आ रहा है.
यहाँ तो बिल्कुल क्लियर है बेटा, मुझे बाकी सब बच्चों को दिख रहा है.
सर हमारे मतलब आपका यहाँ पे नेटवर्क भी रेडी बता रहा है.
Yes, children, screen is clear or not?
Sir, your screen is not clear. And
Sir,
your
clear
video
है.
is lagging.
Not clear.
Sir, not clear. Sir,
not
not clear.
Video भी lag कर रही है.
Sir, not clear.
So many of you are saying that
Sir, clear है.
Your
but
video
some
is
of
not
you are-
clear.
not clear.
क्लियर है.
Sir, not clear.
नहीं है, बहुत
नहीं है क्लियर.
Sir, not.
Yes. The next question is question number 10. Question number 10 is now. Next question is now. Next question is question number 10. That is ABCD is a trapezium. AC and BD of the diagonals and AB is parallel to DC intersecting each other at O. Then we have to prove that area of AOD is equal to area of BOC. Right. So what is our question? What is given here? Given that ABCD is a trapezium. ABCD is a trapezium in which AB is parallel to CD, AB is parallel to DC, right? And diagonals AC and BD intersect each other at O, right? What we have to prove? We have to prove that area of AOD is equal to area of BOC. This we have to prove. We have to prove that area of AOD is equal to area of BOC. Right? Now proof. Now in this you can see triangle ADB and triangle ACB lie on the same base AB and between the same parallels between the same parallels AB and DC. AB and DC. Right? ABCD is a trapezium, right? You can see here triangle ADB and triangle ACB lie on the same base AB and between the same parallels, because AB is parallel to DC, lie between the same parallels, then their area must be equal. So area of ADC will be equal to area of ACB. So what will happen? Therefore, area of ADC is equal to area of ACB. Right? Now, what we will do on subtracting area of AOB from both sides. When we subtract, because this area is equal to this area, you can see here this area is equal to this area, right? Because this triangle and this triangle lying on the same base AB and between the same parallels AB and DC. So what we will do, we will subtract this triangle from both sides. When we subtract this triangle from both sides, then what we will get? We will get area of AOD is equal to area of BOC. So subtract area of ADC minus area of AOB is equal to area of ACB minus area of AOB. So this becomes what? This becomes area of AOD is equal to area of BOC. That we had to prove, right? So please note down. Yes, Gaurav, what happened? Gaurav, what happened? Is there any doubt? Yes, Kushagra. What happened?
Sir, now also the board is not clear.
बोर्ड इज वेरी क्लियर बेटा. जिसको इसको बोर्ड क्लियर नहीं है, ये क्वेश्चन मैं आपको व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में भेज दूंगा, ठीक है, फोटो खींच के.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Because my network is clear and many of yours network is also clear. Only few networks are not clear. So I will send this question on WhatsApp group. You can also see the same question on NCERT solution on LMS portal, right? Yes, Raghav, what happened?
सर आपने वो इक्वेशन में एरिया ऑफ एडीसी लिख दिया, वो एडीबी है.
हाँ,
सर आपने इक्वेशन में एरिया ऑफ एडीसी लिख दिया, वो एडीबी होगा.
हाँ, just a minute. Area of ADB, right? Because here we have a triangle ADB, na? ADB is equal to ACB, ADB. ADB minus AOB or now is it correct?
Yes sir.
Okay. By mistake I have written there. Sorry.
No problem sir.
Okay.
Thank you sir.
And Raghav, screen is clear? Raghav, screen is clear?
Yes sir, clear.
बहुत सारे बच्चे बोल रहे हैं स्क्रीन क्लियर नहीं है, यहाँ तो स्क्रीन पूरा क्लियर दिख रहा है.
पता नहीं सर.
Yes, Gaurav, what happened? Gaurav, yes, Bhumi,
यस सर.
here.
सर स्क्रीन तो बिल्कुल भी क्लियर नहीं है, तो कुछ समझ में ही नहीं आ रहा है.
ठीक है बेटा, मैं ये वाला क्वेश्चन अभी आपके व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में भेज दूंगा क्लास के बाद, ठीक है?
ओके सर.
सर आप वो एक्सेल वाला बना रहे क्या फॉर्म?
कौन सा एक्सेल वाला?
सर आप बोले थे ना वो भी एक्सरसाइज को आप भेज
हाँ
दोगे।
हाँ हाँ बेटा बना रहा हूँ, मेरे को टाइम नहीं मिला, मैं 9 10 दोनों का बना रहा हूँ, आप लोग को मैं भेज दूंगा वाला, ठीक है।
हाँ
मुझे मुझे
यस सर।
सैटरडे तक टाइम दो, मंडे तक आपको मिल जाएगा वो।
यस सर।
ओके, यस ऋषभ, एनी डाउट? ऋषभ, okay, so I am moving on to next question, right? I am rubbing this. Now, next question is question number 11. Question number 11. Question number 11 is, now, what is the question? ABCDE is a pentagon. What is given? It is given ABCDE is a pentagon. Pentagon, right? A line through a line through B parallel to AC meets DC produced at F, right? So what we have to prove? We have to prove that first part is area of ACB. Area of ACB is equal to area of ACF. Area of ACB is equal to area of ACF, and second one is area of AEDF is equal to area of ABCDE is equal to area of ABCDE, right? This is very important question, and important question, right? And very easy also. So, what is given? ABCDE. ABCDE is a pentagon. What is pentagon? A polygon having 5 sides. You can see 5 sides. A, B, C, D, E. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This polygon is having 5 sides, that is it, that is why it is called pentagon, right? So ABCD is a pentagon. A line through B, a line through B parallel to AC, line through B parallel to AC, line through B, this line BF is parallel to AC, it is given, right? BF is parallel to AC is given, right? Meets parallel to AC meets DC प्रोड्यूस, जब DC को प्रोड्यूस करेंगे तो F पर मिलेगी, right? So we have to prove that area of ACB is equal to area of ACF, area of ACB is equal to area of ACF. You can see area of ACB is equal to area of ACF. Now you can see what is area of ACB. Area of ACB is this. Area of ACB. And what is area of ACF? This is area of ACF. So you can see here, these two triangles are lying on the same base AC and between the same parallels, right? So now proof 1, since BF is parallel to AC, it is given parallel to AC, like BF is parallel to AC. Now triangle ACB and triangle ACF are on the same base, AC. You can see ACB and ACF both lying on the same base AC. Triangle ACB and ACF are on the same base AC, and between the same parallels, what are the same parallels? BF and AC. Then what will happen? Their area must be equal. Therefore, area of ACB is equal to area of ACF, right? This is the first part. We have proved first part. ACB is equal to ACF. Now second we need to prove area of AEDF. Area of AEDF is equal to area of ABCDE. So what we will do in second part, what we will do on adding, this is equation 1, on adding area of ACDE, this area ACDE, on adding area of ACDE, both sides of equation 1, right? On adding area of ACDE, both sides of equation 1 to add, then what will happen? Area of ACB plus area of ACDE plus area of ACDE, right? We have added ACDE on the left hand side and also add ACDE on right hand side also. Area of ACF plus area of ACDE. So what I have done here, I have added area of ACDE on both sides of equation 1. Now what will happen? See, when you add area of ACB, and this area will be equal to what? And this area will be equal to ABCDE, right? When you add ACB, जब ACB में हम ये add करेंगे, so this becomes ABCDE. So this will become area of ABCDE. And when you add ACDE on ACF, जब हम ACF में जब इसको ऐड करेंगे तो ये आ जाएगा पूरा ये वाला, this one. that is equal to AEDF. That is equal to AEDF. इसमें C नहीं लेंगे because DC and DF are the same side ना. DC, CF, DC and DF are the same line. That will be equal to AEDF. That will be equal to AEDF. Area of AEDF. Right? So this is very good question and very easy also and important also. Very important also. So please note down.
Yes, sir.
Yes, what happened? Yes, Raghav, what happened? Raghav?
Yes, sir.
Is there any doubt?
Well,
सर स्क्रीन क्लियर है.
Screen is
ये देखो मम्मी, मम्मी ये देखो, मम्मी देखो, सबके खाना में दिखाता हूँ. सब दो बार ज्वाइन किए, वहाँ से साउंड ही नहीं आ रहे, किसी में तुम में कर रहे.
yes, is it clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, note down.
Yes.